Hello everyone, I am Harshil Prasad. My project title is Serverless Web Application for Student Management Data. And here I used AWS services such as Lambda, S3, and DynamoDB. And here is my project. Just look into it. First, I sign into my console and then I go to the Lambda role to create a Lambda role with name Lambda role, and I give access to the DynamoDB and S3. Then again I went to the DynamoDB table. There I created a table name called student data. Student data with primary key as student ID. Here you can see, explore into the, this is the primary key. Now I went to again Lambda functions. Here I created two functions called get function and insert data function. Insert data student Insert student data is used for saving the data into the DynamoDB, and get student data function is used for getting the details from the DynamoDB table. First, I go to the insert data function. Just look into the code. It is the Python code. I deployed it and test the code. It's my code. Then the status code again. I'm going to the functions and then get student function. Here, this is my get functions data. Again, I executed this code to get the student data. Success, test event, I created my test event. Now again I'm going to the API. There I created my API services. In that resources I created a get function, get method and post method. Get method is for get student data. And post function is for insert student data. Then I deployed the API using a stage name called stage 1. Look into this, just copy it and we use for later. Now again I created a bucket called student bucket. Here I uploaded a indexcopy.html file which is already uploaded, and properties, just enable bucket versioning and then static web hosting, which is used to host the website. In proper permissions, just take a look on block public access, which is it should be turned off, and in bucket policy you should add the policy and generate the policy for S3 bucket services. Just mark the make, copy the ARN number of S3 bucket and paste it here in the bucket policy and save the function. You should be enable the ACL functions also. Now again go to the API function. You should be must enable the CORS functions. Then after enabling CORS function, you get the option method. So just leave it after enabling the CORS function. Now after everything completed, just look, just come and what's this one? It is the output, the student data. This one, just I'm entering the data. 4 Raja, class 10 plus 2, age 20. This the data has been saved here. I'll take a look in the function data DynamoDB table. Here it is the DynamoDB table. Yeah, I got the function Raja, and this one is for when I executed the get function, insert function data. due to test event. This has data has been entered here. Just ignore it one. This is the DynamoDB data which I entered here, and these are the previous data that I have stored here. This is my project. Thank you.